it's like general public how deeply devoted to Rama, and then they say how can you leave us and go, and they're all coming behind him. Rama is in a chariot, and so Ramachandra Prabhu goes to Vanavasam. The whole Ayodhya public, they cry like crazy. You can see that like a like ocean of grief. They are really like, cannot be controlled, and they cry like crazy. Mm. So Rama, you are born here for a purpose. I know that. For world welfare, you have given avataram. We know that, but in spite of that, we cannot let you go. And so they surround him. You see that in the picture. All directions of this chariot, left side, right side, back, and everywhere. They are really raising their hands, and then they are also crying a lot. And they say, "Ayyo, uh, how are you going to be in this Dandakarunya Vanam?" When Sita gets her gentle hand and touch you on your feet, the feet becomes red or like pinkish and red, and you cannot even take that little gentle hand touch. Uh, that kind of feet, we can, that kind of Tiruvadi or that kind of auspicious feet, how can they walk on the forest, and so much of roughness is there, and how will you wander in the forest, and that to Dandakavana. So they are saying, and they look at his maravuri or a wooden robe or bamboo robe, and instead of silk, you will be wearing the maravuri bamboo robe, and we are very unfortunate to see such a thing on your body. And also we are so used to seeing you walking around, and so many battalions of people, so many things, chariot behind the chariot, so many things following you, and how will you walk alone in the woods? This is their legitimate concern. So you can see that everybody thinks that Rama is like their father. So he takes care of them like his own father, their own father. So, so now instead of wearing the crown, you are going to have this Jadabaram. We don't like that, and your words are always gentle, and you always have very auspicious words, and we will miss hearing those words. And why can't you show mercy on us? No, how will that Kausala, poor mother, will take it, Rama? You are really a ocean of compassion, okay? And how will we live without you, Rama? They are all following his chariot like that. This is what is going to be described here. That is 36th. Okay, now we'll see what Krishna Prema Anna has to say in the Kritis. Okay. Ha ha Raghava Karuna Sindhu, ha ha Raghava Karuna Sindhu, Palaya Swajanam Lokabandho, ha ha Raghava Karuna Sindhu, Palaya Swajanam Lokabandho, ha ha Raghava, ha ha Raghava Karuna Sindho, Kamalaya Mam Lokabandho, ha ha Raghava, Soga Samudra Patitam Tavaka Jana Paripuritam Ayodhyam, Soga Samudra Patitam Tavaka Jana Paripuritam Ayodhyam, Lokagitartam Avatirnasvam Tyaktva Mayaya Adavimyogyam, ha ha Raghava Karuna Sindho Valayamam. जनकसुत बहुं मृदुलकराग्र स्पर्शारुणं तव पदयुग्मौ जनकसुत बहु मृदुलकराग्र स्पर्शारुणं तव पदयुग्मौ वनसञ्चार योग्यं गतमगो भवेतिति कथय अभिरामौ राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो कौसेयाम्बर शोभितं कटितटं वल्कल लोक्यं वावतराम कनककिरीट योग्यं तव जिरो जडापरिभूषितं किल जितकाम राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो कौसेयाम्बर शोभितं कटितटं वल्कलयोग्यं वा वदराम कनकगिरीड योग्यं तव शिरो जडापरिभूषितं किल जितकाम रथगजतुरक पदादिभिरभितो विनुतस्य तव मुनिवरमार्ग राजभवन रत्नसिंहासन युक्तस्य तव किमाश मादरग राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो मदगजगमनो त्रिभुवनगमनो अनलोक्यत्व कथं वसेम मृदुधरवचनो मङ्गलरचनो अनाकर्ण्यवयो किमभिरमेम राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो किं पशुपत्नी गृगधनपुत्र बन्धु प्रमुख परिवारैः कौसल्याध्वज तव करुणायति अनुगच्छेम वयं किमसारैः कौसल्या जगज्जननी तव वनवासी कथं भवति राम रघुनन्दन करुणालय त्वां विना न गतिः राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो दुर्लभमिदं तव दर्शनं यदि रघुनन्दन वैकुण्ठमपि न गच्छेम सुलभो गण्डक मण्डिते दण्डके यदि वयमपि त्वामनुगच्छामि राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो एवमयोध्या पुरवास्तव्य जनजल्पितमिदं बहुदीनो पावकहृदय मनुजाश्रित्वा प्रेम विमुक्ता भवेयुर्नूनो राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनो लोकबन्धो राघव करुणासिन्धो पालय स्वजनं lokabandho. Okay, I want to adjust my thing. 1 second, hold. I think my this thing is not coming up. 1 second, hold on. My
your slideshow,
slideshow is coming, not a problem. Only my picture on the side is not coming. 1 second. Yeah, okay. Now we'll move on to the like 37th one. Okay. Okay. Now I see that. I see myself on the corner because I'm trying to see on the Facebook live also to see that sanity check. Okay. Here. Valmiki Ramayanam, how what it talks about when Rama goes to forest and so Rama is convincing them. Ya pridir baguma naja mayayodhya nivasinam. Ya pridir baguma naja mayayodhya nivasinam. Mat priyartam viseshena bharate sa vidhiyatam. Mat priyartam viseshena bharate sa vidhiyatam. Ya pritir bhagumanasya maya yodhyani vasinam. Mat priyartam viseshena bharate sa vidhiyatam. Bharate sa vidhiyatam. Sahi kalyana charitraga Kaikeyanandavardhanaga karishyati yadavatvaga priyani cha hitani cha priyani cha hitani cha priyani cha hitani cha. Sahi kalyana charitraga Kaikeyanandavardhanaga karishyati yadavatvaga priyani cha hidani cha priyani cha hitani cha. Sagirajagunairyukto yuvarajag samikshitag abhichami maya sishtaihi karyam vo badrusna sasanam. Karyam vo badrunasanam. Okay, he says Bharatan has all Kalyana Gunam. Okay, he has got everything that you want. This is from Valmiki Ramayana. What the Vritam was from Valmiki Ramayana, and you saw that Ayodhya Kantam, and you saw the Sargams and all, like second Ayodhya Kandam, 45th Sargam, Sloka 6, 7th, and I also included 8th also. Okay, so so Ramachandra Prabhu goes to Vanavasam. Okay, that you saw in the previous Kriti, Now, following Rama's chariot, millions of people go, and they forsake their house, wife, and children. So you know that Sarayu Nadi, okay? Beyond Sarayu also they go. They reach Samara river. In this situation, all the Vedic Pandits are saying in very loud voice. What do they say? They are addressing Rama's horses. So, hey, high class horses, don't you hear me? Hear us. Bring your boss back to Ayodhya. So this is what they are addressing the horses. There is no point in telling Rama or Lakshmana or Sita. They are not going to listen. Even Sumantran doesn't listen. The only option, there is only person, only other people left are the horses. The horses are show us mercy and bring your Rama back to Ayodhya. That's what they say. So hearing this, Rama gets down. He looks at all of them. And so what does he say? And that's when he says, you heard that Ya Preeti, that sloka that from Valmiki Ramayanam. So he says, I respect everybody and respective elders and others. Whatever affection you express towards me right now and all along, please show some respect as well as love towards Bharadan. Bharadan is such a nice person, nice boy. He is way mature for his age. He has got lots of wisdom. Do not mistake him for his age. And he has got more wisdom than anybody. And he is very auspicious and he is very affectionate. He will take care of you like anything. You should only show affection here on towards him, not me. So he will be your king and hereafter, and he will do the needful. And you go back home, and so I will be very happy, not you worshipping me, but I'll be very happier when you pray to my devotees. Okay, so you pray to the Bharata. Bharata is the highest form of devotion. I will be met towards him. Go back, but what they do not. They sleep and they stay there, and then we can see the Krishna Anna's Kriti right now. Paurajana Puram Prati Gachati Paurajana Puram Prati Gachati Bhaktavatsala Mam Janita Paurajana Puram Prati Gachati Bharatameva Bhaktya Bhajata Bhagavadana Pujam Kuruta Parva Paurajanaga Puram Prati Gachat Macharanachanam Magumadonagime Bhaktatalsanam Sammatam Kilame Madbhakta Samarchanam Sammadam Kilame Kaikeyi Nandanaga Kalyana Charitraga Kalmasharagitaga Prema Pavitraga Paurajanaga Puram Prati Gachata Paurajanaga Puram Prati Gachata. Okay. Janaki Kanta Smaranam Jai Jai Rama Rama. We will see one more slokam is there from this same context. We'll do it tomorrow or next time, because it's already, I think it's 6:10, so I will just stop here.
Oh, no problem, Mami. Like how இது சொன்ன மாதிரி because it's புனர்பூசம் today and நீங்கள் ராகவா சர்க்கம் சொல்லி இந்த மாதிரி explanation கொடுத்தது is beautiful, and you have made the effort to put those slides எல்லாத்தையும் presentation always. I remember போன வாட்டி டிசம்பர் மாதம் பண்ணுறச்சே கூட I completely remember the effort and with which you explain and share your knowledge is always something we look forward to. So ரொம்பவே thanks for doing that, and definitely மிச்ச ஸ்லோகம் நீங்கள் நாளைக்கு you'll be continuing. நாளைக்கு தானே நாளைக்கு
Another
ஆமா
another session, whatever.
another session. Okay, perfect. That is
Anyhow, I
amazing.
thought
So
no, this context has got three kritis, but I will do the third one next time. Yeah.
absolutely. Thank you so much இந்த எங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணதுக்கு. And with that, I would like to sincerely thank all the participants of today's satsang. The first one being Srimati Janaki Raghupati Mami with the Vishnu Sahasranamam. Then Shakuntala Mami with the 34 and 35th Dashakam of Narayaniyam. And then our own Varsha Chandrasekharan with her two kritis, one on in Ragam Hamsadvani, which is Vande Nishamayam, and then the Shambho Mahadeva and Bauli Ragam. Thank you very much for that. And of course, our Geeta Mami for her Raghava Shadkam. And today, again, such a meaningful satsang revolving around Lord Rama. And thank you to everybody who was able to participate through the satsang. All the people who are watching on Facebook and those who were able to join on the Zoom for us. We really appreciate it. Please do come back tomorrow for another set of participants and to be in this moment. With that, I'll conclude with our Lokakshema Mantram. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti. Thank you, everybody. See you all tomorrow. Wishing you good night and